Okay, so okay. So Saad and Sami, let's start the class without any delay. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
basically, yeah. Okay. So I'm starting like I'm just starting from scratch. Okay, both of you, I would like to say one thing that like before starting the class, like okay. So is the thing is that we will be doing everything from scratch. Okay, don't worry about
Okay, sir.
anything, and don't think that I will like if I ask something, don't think that I'm going to judge you for that. Okay, no, and
Okay,
that's not gonna happen. Okay, so if
okay,
I'm asking something, it means to just to acquire some knowledge that you have any idea or not. If not, that is all. That is also okay. And if you have an idea, that is also okay. Okay, that is great.
okay,
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 and
sir.
you just have to be honest with me. If you don't get my point, say it to me. You don't have to say yes sir, I got it, even you have, even if you didn't get that point. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah, and I just want this honesty with me. Okay, and next thing is that if you can ask me any doubt, as simple as it is 1 plus 1, or it's or related to the topic already. Okay, and just be comfortable with me in the class. Don't worry about anything. Okay, we will be doing everything from the scratch. Okay,
Okay, sir.
be in your natural state and don't be, you can say, don't get uncomfortable. Okay, just be in your
Okay,
natural
sir.
state and be comfortable in the class. I just want a two-way interaction with all my students so that you can have a better learning experience in the class. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just be interactive with me so that we can have a good session. Okay, okay, let's
Okay,
understand the first thing. Let's say this chapter is polynomial. So all both of you have basically how many, both of you remember factorization of algebraic expression from the 8th class, middle term split and all the things, algebraic expressions?
yes, sir.
Do you remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So basically, that those algebraic expression are extended to a little bit a step forward in the direction, and that in that direction some specific conditions are implemented, and you can say some specific rules are implemented, and those rules comes out to be you can say in chapter called polynomial. Okay, so first thing,
Okay,
let's understand what a polynomial is. So if I break down this polynomial thing, okay, so I can write this polynomial as poly. So this word is basically made of two words, poly plus nomial. Poly plus nomial. Okay. Poly means many and term nomial means terms. So basically polynomial means an algebraic expressions having many terms is called a simple this is a very simplest definition for a polynomial. Like some conditions will be there, I will tell you in the later part of the class, but if I say in a general manner, so basically an algebraic expression having many terms is called a polynomial. Clear?
yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is my writing readable to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, that's great. It's called polynomial. Okay, so one more thing is that if an algebraic expression is said to be a polynomial, so there is a certain condition which which an algebraic expression has to fulfill. So basically that condition is that the polynomial that expression powers all the, like if there are many terms, like suppose two or three terms are present, and basically those terms should be having whole number power if they are said to be a polynomial. It means that all the terms should have the power as whole number. It means that if they have some power, so that should be the part of a whole number. So can you tell me what are whole numbers, both of you? Samia and Saad, can you tell me what are whole numbers?
A set of numbers starting at 0.
Starting from 0 up to infinity, positive infinity.
Increasing. Yes.
Yes, very good. Saad, do you know this thing, bache?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है, that's good. So basically, a set of numbers, or you can say a collection of numbers in which, in which you can say the number starts from 0 up to positive infinity. That set is called whole numbers. Clear? So if
Yes.
and the condition is for to be a polynomial and algebraic. I'm writing. So this is just for the knowledge. Okay, these things are not going to ask you like define a polynomial. Okay, that's not going to happen. It's just for the knowledge so that you can understand this thing in a little bit more better manner. Okay, an algebraic expression polynomial if all the terms are having whole number exponents, or you can say power. Okay, basically the alternative name for power is exponents. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this criteria should be fulfilled by an algebraic expression to be called as polynomial. Okay,
Polynomial.
any doubt, Bacho?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sure.
No, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that's great. That's great.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
next thing. Okay, yes, Saad, you were saying something, Bache?
No, sir.
Okay,
No.
okay, ठीक है. Okay, okay. Okay. So let's start with the basic fundamental of polynomial. Okay. Let me write down one thing. Okay. So basically, we will be having different types of polynomial based on some different conditions. Okay. I'm taking a general, you can say polynomial. Okay. You can if I'm taking a general polynomial, it doesn't mean that we are going to restrict on that itself. Okay. It's just for the example. Okay, to understand you that concept. Okay, so this, suppose that p of x means this word is saying that polynomial is a function, is a variable of x. Basically all the variable that is present in the expression are x only. Okay, no other variable is present apart from x. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, and one more thing is that basically in this chapter, okay, chalo, I will tell you just after this topic what are one variable. Do you know what is one variable and two variable things? Saad and Samya, any idea about it, bacho? Okay, let me know it in yes or no. Saad and Samya.
Ma'am, sir, where A and B are used as
Okay,
integers.
basically yes. Basically, two variable. Basically, one variable means only only single variable is used. Only single variable. Okay, like
Okay.
x. Okay, like x only, in all the expression, in all the terms, only x is the variable. That is called one variable. If apart like more than one variable are used, that is called multi-variable. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Saad, is this clear to you, bache?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let me write down one thing, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so this is basically the general expression for a quadratic polynomial. I will tell you what are quadratic, what are cubic, what are linear. Just see this thing, that this is the expression, a general expression for a quadratic polynomial, where a, b, c are real numbers. Okay, So basically,
Okay.
this ABC means ABC are having some constant values. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Like
Yes,
1,
sir.
2, 3, anything it can be there. It can be root 2, root 3, 1, 2, 3. It can be anything. Okay. So A is basically called as coefficient of x square. Coefficient of
X square.
x square. Okay. This B is called as coefficient of Samya and Sad. What it is called, bacho?
Coefficient of x.
Coefficient of x. Very good. And this C is called constant.
Constant.
Okay.
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
Saad and Samya?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay. So one more thing is that don't assume that A is fixed with A. It's like this. Okay. If I write the cubic polynomial, have cubic means the highest power is 3. Okay. You can see highest power is 2. That's why it is called quadratic. If the highest power is 3, so it will be called as cubic. So A x cube, this expression will be written as general expression bx square. Now B has become the coefficient of x square and C has become the coefficient of x and D is your constant. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's
Yes,
not
sir.
fixed that only A is multiplied or A is the coefficient of x square. Like it will get interchanged because if you expand the terms. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you got it. What are coefficients? The number associated with the variable is called coefficient as respect to the highest power. So if it's x square, so it will be called as coefficient of x square. If it's x, so it will be the coefficient of x, and C is called constant term. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Where
Okay, sir.
in the term which is like in the term in which no variable is associated, that term will be called as constant. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubts, Saad and Samia?
No, sir.
No.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, let's start that one thing, that is degree of our polynomial. Okay,
Polynomial.
this is the very important, you can say, the thing that you have to understand in a very good manner. Okay, degree. Okay, before that, let's do some questions. Let's do some questions to understand the coefficient part. Saad and Samya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me the basically the coefficient of x square in each of the following. If you please at least try. I'm saying at least try. I'm not saying you have to give me the answer. At least try. Say be it wrong. Can you tell me the first answer, Bacho?
So the coefficient of x square is 1.
Coefficient of x square is 1. Okay, Samya said 1. What about you, Saad?
Yes, sir. One. It's
1,
one.
1. It's 1. Very good. It's correct. Okay. So first part is, okay, let me write it down directly here instead of here. So it is 1 only. Okay. So here I'm writing it as a is equals to 1. Clear? So now can you tell me the coefficient of x square in this term?
It's one.
Okay, Saad said 1. What about you, Samya?
-1.
-1. Yes, it
Okay.
is minus
Okay.
1 because
Okay,
minus
sir.
sign will also be considered. Okay. So
Okay,
it will
sir.
be a is equals to -1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now here tell me what it will be. Saad and
Pi
Samya.
upon 2.
5
Okay,
divided
Saad.
by 2.
Yes, it is pi by 2. Very good. A
5
is equals
divided
to pi by 2.
by 2.
Okay. Now tell me in this.
Square
So
root
it
of.
is 0.
Samya said 0. Saad, what about you?
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. Dekho. So so Samya, you are correct, bache. So basically for this kind of expression, you can write this as 0 x square plus root 2 x minus 1 because 0 x square is nothing but 0 because 0 multiplied with something is 0 na?
Yes, sir.
So it will
Yes,
be
sir.
that's why 0. Clear?
Okay.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Next thing is let's understand the next topic, that is degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial basically. So degree of a polynomial means the highest power among all the terms will be considered as degree of the polynomial. Clear? The highest
Yes, sir.
power of all the terms, the highest power of all the terms. Suppose that you have 10 multiple terms in the expression, and the highest power of all that terms will be called as degree of a polynomial. Okay?
Yes, sir.
The
Yes, sir.
highest of a variable, or you can say of a term, among all terms is called degree polynomial. Clear, Saad and Samya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so this is the degree of a polynomial. So let's and like before going into the numerical part or the some question part. So let me tell you one or two things of the degree of the polynomial. So basically, the degree of a polynomial should be a whole number. Clear? The degree should be a clear, Saad and Samya.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So degree should be a whole number. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Next is degree can't be negative or fractional. Clear, Saad and Samya?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear. So these two things are very important for a degree, you can say identification. Okay. So is this clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Any doubts so far, dear?
No,
No.
sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, be honest with me. If it's clear to you, please let me know once again. If it's clear, completely clear to you all till now.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
it
sir.
is.
Chalo, that's
Yes.
good. That's good. That's very good. Let's understand the next thing. Let's do some little bit some examples to identify the degree of such polynomial. So suppose that x square 4x plus 3. Okay, now tell me what is the degree of this polynomial? Saad and Samia, what is the degree of
Sir,
this
2.
polynomial? Okay, Saad said 2. Samia,
Sir,
आप बताओ.
Sir, 2.
2. Yes, it is 2. You can see this thing. 3 terms are there. So the highest power of of an individual term is this. So with that is
Yes.
2. So the degree will be equals to 2. Clear? Next
Yes,
thing
sir.
is next is x cube minus 4 x square plus 1. Can you tell me the degree?
Sir, 3.
3.
Okay, Samia said 3.
3.
Saad
3.
3. Very good. So it will be 3. So x cube is the highest power that is among all the terms. So it will be 3. Okay. Next is now tell me the degree.
4.
4. 4.
Oh, yes, it is 4.
4.
Clear? Because only term that is present is y to the power 4. So it will be 4. So till now, is it completely clear to you, Bacho?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Let me take one question so that I just wanted to check whether you got my point or not. Okay, chalo. Tell me. Okay, in this question, you have to tell me that whether an expression is a polynomial or not. And if it's a polynomial, is it a one variable or a two variable? And if okay, so in this question, it is already written. I'm adding one thing in that you have to tell me the degree as well for the given polynomial. Okay.
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 Now tell me first, is this a polynomial or not? Saad and Sameh, is this
Yes,
a
sir.
polynomial or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir, it
Saad
is a
said yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
and okay, why is it a polynomial? Can you tell me? Because all the powers are in whole number 2, 1, and here
1.
if I write 7x to the power 0, because it is in like 7 into 1 is nothing but 7. So I'm writing 1 as x to the power 0. So that is equals to 1 now. So you can see all the terms
Okay.
are having the power as whole number. So 0 is a whole
Whole
number,
number.
right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so it is a, so is it a one variable or a two variable?
1.
the
Okay,
one
one.
variable.
Yes,
It's
it is
1
one variable.
variable.
Only x is
1.
present as the
Only
variable.
X.
Very good. What is the degree?
It's 2.
Saad said 2, right?
Sir, 2.
Okay, yes, it is 2. So it is a, so basically it is a polynomial and the degree is 2. Clear? Now tell me, is this a polynomial or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, is it?
Yes.
And
It is.
is it a one variable or a two variable, Bacho?
Sir, one
1.
variable.
1
Now
variable.
tell me the degree for this polynomial.
2.
2.
Okay, yes, it is 2. So this is a polynomial and the only term that is present is y square. So the highest power is only 2. So it will be a degree of 2. Okay. So now tell me, is this a polynomial or not, Bacho?
Sir, it is not a polynomial.
Okay,
It is.
Samia said not a polynomial. What about you, Saad?
I don't know.
So you don't know. So Samia, now tell me the reason why is it a not, why is it not a polynomial, Bache?
So because the power of the variable is in the first term is 1 upon 2, which is not a whole number.
Very good. Yes, it is correct. Very good, Bache. So basically, if you write down that term, so root 2t, so just a second. So 3 into t to the 3 into root t is nothing but 3 into t to the power half. That is a fractional term in term like fractional power, and it is 2 root t. So you can see this thing, it is this one is satisfying the condition for a polynomial, but other term is not satisfying. In the explanation, I've told you that all the terms should be having the whole number power. Clear? So it means
Yes,
that one is satisfying, another is not. So it means that ultimately it is not a polynomial. So if it's not a polynomial, so there is no need to find out the degree. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me this one, is it a polynomial or not?
no, sir.
Okay, Samya
No.
said
No.
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 Yes, what about
No.
you?
No,
Yes,
sir.
it
No,
is
sir.
no. y, if I write this as 2y plus 2 into y to the power minus 1, because if it's in denominator, if I take in the numerator, it will become minus 1. So this one is actually correct. Our power is 1, but this is negative 1. So the
Negative.
negative 1 is not the part of a whole number. So it means that this is not a polynomial. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, is this a polynomial?
No, sir.
Okay, Samir said no. Saad, aap batao. Tell me.
No, sir.
It is a polynomial, multivariable polynomial. You can see powers
Okay.
are whole numbers. Powers are whole numbers. It means that polynomial,
Okay.
it is a polynomial, but it is not a one variable, it is a multivariable, because I have told you
Multiple.
na, different variables are used to express.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so it is a polynomial. There is no need to find the degree of multivariable because this is not the part of your syllabus. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
just skip that thing. Okay. It is like another method is used to find the degree. Okay. Please
Okay,
tell me,
sir.
is it clear to you or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any doubt, Bacho?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, that's great. Is it completely clear there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Chalo, that's great. That's great. So next thing that we are going to start is basically the types of polynomials on the basis of degree. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So types of polynomial. This is a very important part. Okay. First is basically constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Okay. So for a constant polynomial, degree is equals to 0. Okay. So degree is equals to 0. Let me write down the examples for this such specific type is that. So I'm writing p of x is equals to a function of basically p of x is equals to 3. So Samya and Sat, can I write 3 as 3 into 1?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
this 3 into 1 I'm writing here. So can I write 1 as 3 into x to the power 0? Because any base raised to the power 0 will be nothing but 1. Bolo yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So it means, so you can see this thing, only term that is present in this is x to the power 0. This is the highest degree of this polynomial. Yes or no? Highest power of this polynomial.
Yes.
Yes or no? So that's why
Yes,
the
sir.
degree will be 0. Clear, Samya and Saad?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. Next, just a second. Let me write it properly. Degree is equals to 0. Okay, Saad and Samya, tell me one thing. If it's like written like this, what will happen? What type of polynomial it is?
Sir, constant polynomial.
No. Yes, Saad, tell me. Can you tell me?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay. So this type of polynomial is called zero polynomial.
Okay.
Okay. This
Sir,
type of
okay.
polynomial is called zero polynomial. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So it will be so zero polynomial. Okay. So this is called zero polynomial. And the degree of such a polynomial is undefined. This is a line of NCRT, bacho. Okay. This is very
Okay,
important. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah, very good. It is the degree of a polynomial. So it is undefined or not defined or undefined. Okay. Okay. Next is the type of polynomial, linear polynomial. Okay. What will be the degree? Can you tell me? Saad and Samya?
I don't know.
So I don't know.
Okay,
I
degree
don't
will
know.
be 1. 1. Okay,
Okay.
Okay, sir.
degree will be 1. Okay, we will move sequentially. Okay, degree will be 1. Clear? So the examples can be like this. 3x, you can see only term that is present is 3x. So power degree will be 1, yes or no? Highest power is 1 only. Another example can be like this, is equals to 5x minus 2. You can see only 2 terms are present. The highest one is x to the power 1, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear? Any doubt? Can
No,
No,
you
sir.
tell me another example?
Mm, 3x is equal to 2x.
Yes, Saad, you said something, Muche?
Yeah, 3x is equal to 2x.
2x, yes, it is very good. Okay. So this is called linear polynomial. Clear?
yes, sir.
Next is quadratic polynomial. So what will be the degree for a quadratic polynomial, Saad and Samya?
2.
2. Yes, it will be 2. Very good. So examples can be like this. 3x square plus 4x minus 2. Okay, you can see this thing, 3 terms are present. The highest power of all the term, basically among the highest power among all the terms is 2. Yes or no, Saad and Samya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Another example can be p of x is equals to 4x square minus 2. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this is also an
Okay.
example you can see. And next example can be like this, 5x square. So you can see this thing, all the terms are having the highest degree, highest power as 2. Yes or no, Saad and Samya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, so this is called quadratic polynomial. Next is cubic polynomial. Okay. So till cubic, it's enough. Okay. Not more than that is required in this class, basically in this 9th class. Okay.
Okay.
So we will be covering till cubic. Okay. Because this is in your syllabus. So cubic polynomial is what will be the degree, Bacho?
So 3.
3.
Will be
3.
the degree will be 3. Very good. So p of x will be equals to 7x cubed. Is this a polynomial, yes or no? Cubic polynomial?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next we can be 4x cubed plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this can be the example,
Okay.
because you can see highest power is 3. Okay.
3.
P of x will be equals to 4x cubed minus 7x plus 1. Okay. This is also a cubic polynomial. Please tell me if it's clear to you or not, Bacho.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's 3.
Any doubt so far?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Sure?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
चलो ठीक है, that's great. Okay. So next thing is that, like, जल्दी से हम थोड़ा सा एक और चीज कर लेते हैं. That is basically the types of polynomial on the basis of terms. Okay. On the basis of terms means how many terms are there if in a polynomial. So what specific name can we give it to that polynomial? Okay. So next, so
Okay.
basically I'm writing three types of polynomial in front of you. So basically, polynomial having one term will be called as monomial. Mono words, you
Monomial.
got it? Mono means
Yes,
single
monomial.
and mial means term. So single term is present in the polynomial. So it is called
Monomial.
Meal. Okay. Oh, so in this type of polynomial, in like on the basis of terms, it is not required to identify the degree. Any number can be there, anything can be there, and it should be single only. Okay. So examples can be देखो, examples can be like this 3, example can be like this, example can be 7x square, example can be is equals to 4x. So you can see this thing, all the terms are having single term irrespective of the degrees. So we are just you can say we are just you can say classifying on the basis of terms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next is basically two terms.
Two term binomial.
Binomial, very good. Okay, it is binomial. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, binomial. So example can be, can you give me example?
2x minus 3.
Hmm.
Uh,
Yes, Sadhu said something, Miche.
yeah, 2x minus 3.
2x
2x
minus
minus
3.
6.
Yes, it is very good. It is it is two terms polynomial. And then the example can be 4x square. Samia, you can give me the example as well, Miche. 4x plus 2x.
So 5x square plus 3x.
5x square plus 5x square plus 3. 5x square plus 3 na?
3x.
3x. Yes, it is also a polynomial. Even if you would say 3, it will also be a polynomial, binomial basically. Clear? Next
Yes,
is
sir.
three terms.
Binomial.
Trinomial, very good. Trinomial, okay. So example can be like this, 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Another example can be 3x cube plus 4x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, this can be an example. Okay, and p of x is equals to you can say uh, 3x to the power 4 plus 4 x cube plus 2x. So you can see the three term. So on the basis of that, so these three terms are there. These three classification of polynomials are given. Am I clear to you, Saad and Samia? Please tell me, Bacho.
Yes, sir.
Crystal clear, Bacho?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far?
No, sir.
Chalo, theek hai. I'm giving one question and let me know the answer of that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Tell me the answer, Bacho.
Okay, sir.
You have to find the degree of the polynomial. Okay. One by one, tell me.
Sir, first one is 3.
Okay. Okay. Very good, Samia. First one is 3. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Saad and Samya, are there, bacho?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm back. I'm
Sir.
back.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Tell me the answer. Samya said the first one as 3. Saad, what's your answer for this?
Uh, 3.
3.
3.
Yes, it is correct. Very good. So you can see this thing, the 3 terms are present. The highest is 3. So it will be 3. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Next one, Elizabeth.
2.
2.
2. Samya said 2. What about you, Saad?
2. 2. 2.
2. So it is 2. You can see highest is 2. So it is 2. This one,
Sir, 1.
okay, Samya said 1.
1.
Yes, it is
1.
1. Because you can see t is the variable in this expression. So only t is present. So it means the whatever. So highest power in this term is 1. Clear?
1. Okay.
This
Yes, sir.
one,
Yes.
what is the degree?
1.
So
Sure.
there is no degree.
No degree.
Sure.
No. 0.
I've just basically told you about this. It will be 0 now, bacho.
Yeah,
Yes.
0. 0.
Constant polynomial. It is a type of constant polynomial. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it will be 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Just a second. Give me a second. Let me take one more question. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Yes, Saad and Samya, just allow me a second to give me one question to you.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So this is the question in front of your camera. I'm just pasting it. Okay, this one. Tell me this one. Any answer, Saad and Samia?
Sir, it is 3x power 35 minus 5 and 5x
Okay.
power 100.
Okay, Samia said this one. Okay, it's okay, so it's correct. So basically, multiple answers are there because you just have to write the any expression of polynomial as per your convenience. Clear?
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Saad, what about you, bache? Okay, Samia answer is basically Samia. Tell me your
Oh,
answer for binomial. It is 3x square, 3x 35 minus 5 na.
Yes, sir.
Another example is 5x to the power 100.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is for Samia. Saad, what about you, bache?
uh, x is to 35. X is to 35 plus
Uh,
6.
yes, it is also correct. X raised to power 35 plus 6. Next example is for the 100.
4x is to 100. 4x is to 100.